Welcome, Internet. So, today we are going to be doing another episode of Creeper World 4. And this one is a play as creep map, but it is one of the cursor styles. So, you suck up the creep and spit it back out with the cursor alternating back and forth. And you gotta take over the space. So let's go ahead and hop on into it. Let's see if we can quickly take out a couple of these guys. I just was playing this map. So, what we gotta do is take out a bunch of stuff, because every time we take it out, the multiplier for how much creep we can absorb and how quickly it goes up faster. So we actually can grow how much creep we produce by effectively exponentially growing the amount of creep So yeah, we're already up to 105 creep that we can absorb now. And we can absorb it at 1.37. Let's go over here now. Take out some more guys. Let's find a good spot. That should be a good spot. Alright, let's see if I can build up some more creep, because every so often it just produces a little bit of creep for me. Now it only gives me 5 creep to beam down at a time, but if I can get something built while this is going. Now the little AI computer is kind of a pain in the butt because it does move things around and it will create and build more turrets, so it is kind of a pain in the butt. Now I just gotta build up a little bit of creep. Let's see if I can find another good spot to drop some stuff on. Let's kill some things. That'll increase our total creep absorption. And next we'll go here. 5 should be enough. Let's take out these guys, a couple of little little towers. Let's see. I wonder if I can get these guys. I don't think I have enough creep for that yet. But I might be able to. This guy? Let's see if we could. Get him to start building. There we go. Alright, we gotta find another. Gotta find us another spot to get some stuff. go ahead and pop a little creep down here in the corner. Let's see if we can find another kind of soft target, maybe. This guy's going. He's gonna blow up some more guys for me. Of course, he's gonna get blasted a bunch. Well, that didn't work too well. Okay, I think I'm at a point where I just need to let the creep build up. Because I don't think there's anything around that I can just take out. Actually, maybe this? Maybe? If I can get that to start producing some creep. There we go. And then now you guys over here are empty, so just gotta get this to build up enough. Okay. Now, for our next target. Let's go you guys. Okay, that didn't work. Ooh, I wonder if we can... There's a lot of guys here, though. Let's see if we can free these guys. There we go. Alright, I think we now have something to work with. Yeah, see, this is what I was talking about. There's kind of an exponential growth on the absorption of creeper. Alright, well, let's let that build up a little bit. Let's take out a few more guys over here. Now let's see if we can free... See if we can free this guy over here and start building some creep this way. Naughty shield. Shield's gonna block the eggs so that they can't pop the eggs. I want those eggs to pop. Okay, now nullifier. Get rid of you. Let's get this guy back up and running. Let's get this guy up and running. And he's probably trying to build another nullifier. Let's get rid of that. No nullifiers. Now we are making progress. We are able to absorb a whole bunch of creep now and do it very quickly. Then we can spread. Alright, I think we are at the point that we can just keep going. Yeah, once you reach the tipping point, it goes much smoother. Alright, well, that was Hoover, that AC out. Interesting map. I think that was the third time I've tried playing this map, because you just have to constantly go back and forth trying to keep stuff alive long enough to build your creep up to get the multipliers. Holy cow. So that is the map. Now, if you liked it, go ahead and hit like. That'd be awesome. If you want to subscribe, awesome. I try to put out stuff like this every week or two. I'm not very good at it, but I do try. And if there is a map that you think I should play, or if there's a game you think I should check out or something, let me know. Go ahead and comment, whatnot. And until next time, have fun.